Good morning. I hope you all are fine. Now, today we are going to discuss about work consistency. So, how it comes and then how it gives result. When we start something and then in between we leave that thing, then we think that, oh, we cannot do it, it is very difficult, and it is not possible to do that. But don't do that, because when you start something, you do that work with full of consistency, because consistency only give you the result. And then, but you plan your thing in a very nice way and then do it with a full of consistency. Like if you are reading a book, like you have decided, I want to read this book and then I will finish this book, and then you will get more knowledge in that book. So you start reading that book, but like 1 day 2 days, we are, this is human being, we get excited. 1 day 2 days 3 days we read this book, and then all of a sudden we think, yeah, it's so boring, yeah, how to do it, yeah, I don't want to read it, it is very difficult to finish it. No worries, what you do read your book with full of consistency. Like 1 day you read, 2 day you read, third day you read, and then fourth day if you get bored, what you do, just read at least for 1 minute, at least for 2 minutes. If daily on an average you are reading that book for 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, and some other day you don't feel like to read that book, so what you do, at least read for 1 minute, read for 2 minutes. I mean, you can reduce your time, because at least consistency would be there. Once consistency would be there, then you will, 1 day you'll finish that book. In between, if you leave that book, that I'm not reading this book because I'm not enjoying, I'm feeling bored, or maybe I'm feeling sleepy, so then in between you leave that book, and then you won't be complete that book. So do one thing, just read a little, full of consistency. When consistency is there, you will of course finish that book. So it is same in our life also, same our business, same our job, in our career also. When you join somewhere, some of the employee, I feel, they, youngsters, youth, they work in a company 2 months 3 months, and then they look for a change. Why? They think that, okay, I have experienced, I have get some different knowledge also, and then I can switch on, and they start giving interview. But what will be the result? Maybe you get select, or maybe you are getting higher salary in as per your previous company. But where is your consistency? Because in one company, if you are working so long, you will get to learn office culture, and even you will be very this trustworthy for your employer also. So work with full of consistency until or unless you don't find in many big problems. So I at last I want to say, you should work, you should do your work, you should do whatever you want to do, but do it with full of consistency. And I'm telling you guys, you will feel so good, because once you decide something to do that, and then later on when you achieve that, maybe it become very difficult for you, that okay, I cannot work 3 months 4 days. It's someone's habits also, like they change, they keep on changing, keep on changing. They think that I will learn more, but in 5 months you cannot learn that much which you want to learn. So same as book reading. If you want to finish that book, read that book and finish that book. Sometimes you find it difficult to read, but you are still reading, and once you achieve, once you complete your book, you feel so good. And of course you will gain a knowledge as well, and then after that you will, oh my god, I did it, I completed. So this comes only for with the consistency. So remain focused, and do whatever you are doing with full of consistency. Thank you. Bye bye.